Students, welcome back. Today we're going to be skipping just a little bit ahead in the book over to Elizabeth the Elephant on page 26. Today we're going to be talking about notes versus chords. So let's first talk about what a note is. Anytime you're playing just one string, that's a note. A chord is when you put a whole bunch of notes together and that makes a chord. So for instance, a C chord is the note E, C, and G. You put those three notes together, now we have a C chord. A note is just one. So it's something we talk about a lot in the lessons. Notes are one, chords are many. So let's talk about our first note, E. Our first note, E, is going to be the open first string. Now remember, open means I don't put any fingers down here. I just play the string sort of as is. We're not going to use our thumb like we did with our chords where we strum with the thumb. We're actually going to use our index finger to pull the string like that. Now you don't want to smack it by bringing your finger up. You actually want the finger to just follow through nicely into the palm like that. It's not going up like this, it's going back into the palm. So that's how we're going to play this note, E. Now if you look at Elizabeth the Elephant, it's going to be that note E as quarter notes for 4 measures. That means we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 1 measure. We're going to do 3 more. So get your E note ready. I find it easy to put thumb on this 6th string, just to sort of plant it there so that it's, because sometimes it can be kind of tough if you're just trying to hit that one string. So I'd plant your thumb down right there, don't move it, and then just bring that index finger back. All right, Elizabeth the Elephant. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's Elizabeth the Elephant. Now let's look at the next page with note and strum. You're going to play the note E, and then you're going to play the chord C 2 times. Rest. So again, index finger will play the note, thumb is going to strum the chord. So we would go E, strum with C, C, rest. The next measure is the exact same thing. E, C, C, rest. E, now the chord changes here to a G7. G7, G7, rest, and then we're back to that C. Rest. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can try this. You don't have to though. Because the note because the note E is part of a C chord, if you have enough of an arc on this finger, you can actually hold down that C chord while you play the note E. Then you don't have to move your hand at all until the 3rd measure when we do have to take this off to get to a G7. Now, you cannot hold a G7 chord down because that's not an E note. So that chord you do have to wait to put down, rest, and then rest. So that is note and strum, and that is it for today. Good luck practicing, and thanks for watching.